Hello Sudoku friends, welcome back with the last Sudoku in this additional of today's newspaper of Wednesday, August the 19th, 2020. We have here a Tectonic, a.k.a. Suguru in Japanese, and this puzzle will be puzzle number 1373. Yes. So let's get started. My first strategy is to find the single box in this Tectonic. I see here the single box. So the single box is always the one. The second strategy is to find a dual box. We see here a dual box. So this box cannot be a 1. So this should be a 2 and this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, so that means the 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1. One box left for the 1 should be there. Alright, we have here also a dual box. The 1 and the 2 goes there. We have a 2 here, so this box cannot be a 2 anymore. This box should be a 2 and this box should be a 1. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. With a 1 here, so this box cannot be a 1. 1 box left for the 1 should be here. This box should be the 5. We have a 1 here, that means these 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1. 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. These 3 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. We have a dual box here. The 1 is already filled in, so this should be these 2 boxes up here. The 2 and the 3. 2 and the 3. Alright. Let me see. We have a 4 here. That means these 3 boxes surround the 4 cannot be a 4. 1 box left for the 4. Should be there. These 2 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1. So 2 boxes left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. We have a 4 here. That means these 2 boxes cannot be a 4. That box cannot be a 4. 1 box left for the 4 should be here. And I have eliminated the 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 boxes left. The 2 and the 3. The 2 and the 3. We have a 2 here. So no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. 2 boxes left in this area. The 3 and the 5. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 5 goes in there. We have a 5 here. That means these 2 boxes cannot be a 5 anymore. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 2 boxes are left. The 2 and the 3. We have a 3 here. Or we have a 2 there. So this cannot be a 2. This cannot be a 3. So this box should be the 3 and this should be the 2. Let me think. This area, 3 boxes left. One of the numbers is a 2. We see here 2. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. These 2 should be the 3 and the 5. I cannot fill this yet. I'll mark them for you. Alright. This box cannot be a 2. So those 2 boxes should be a 2. Could be a 2, yeah. If I I have now 2 boxes. What I see here, those 2 boxes could be a 2. I cannot place here a 2 because if I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box cannot be a 2. This box should be a 2. Now we have a 2 here, so this box cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be a 3 and this should be a 2. We have a 3 here. This box cannot be a 3. 1 box left for the 3 should be there, and this should be the 5. We have a 5 here. That means this box cannot be a 5 anymore. This should be the 3 and this should be the 5. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. We have 2 boxes left. A 3 and a 5 as a pair. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. Those 2 boxes are left for the numbers 1. Oh, no. Made a mistake. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so it's a 1 and a 5. Made a mistake. Apologies. So 1 and a 5, so those 2 boxes are left for the 3 and the 4. Well, this box cannot be a 3. This box. So the 3 goes here. And the 4 goes there. We have a 3 here. That means these 3 boxes surround the 3 cannot be a 3. The 3 goes in those 2 boxes. Yeah. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. We have a 1 there. And this box cannot be a 1 because we have a 1 and a 5 there. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4. This box cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. So 3 numbers left. The 3, 2 and a 5. We see here 2, so these 2 boxes cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there, and I have eliminated the 3. So the 3 goes there. 1 box left here for the 5. We have a 2 here. That means these 2 boxes cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 boxes left for the numbers 3 and 5. Let me mark them again. 3 and 5, 3 and 5. This is 1 and 5. Alright. We have a 1 here. That means these 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1. The 1 should be in one of these 2 boxes. Yeah. We have a 2 here. That means these 2 boxes cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here or could be there. Triple box 1, 2 and 3. This box cannot be a 1 because I need a 1 in one of those 2 boxes, so the 1 goes here and there. We have a 2 here, so this box cannot be a 2, so the 2 goes as a pair together with the 1. So 1 box left for the 3. Alright. I know this box cannot be a 1 or a 5 or a 3 or a 2. So it probably, this should be a 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this box should be a 4. Yes. This box cannot be a 1. So the 1 goes in these 2 boxes. these two boxes cannot be a 2. These two boxes cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. We have a 2 here, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be a 1 and this should be a 2. We have a 2 here. That means these two boxes cannot be a 2. 1 box left for the 2 should be here. And I have eliminated the 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 1 box left should be a 3 in this area. We have a 3 here. That means these two boxes cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3. So 2 boxes left for the 3 here or there. These two boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. The 4 and the 5 are left. Let me mark them. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. This box cannot be a 5, so the 5 goes here or there. This box cannot be a 4, so the 4 goes here or there. This box cannot be a 5, so the 5 goes here or there. This box cannot be a 3, so the 3 goes here or there. Let me think. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5. 3 and 5. We have a 5 here. That means this box cannot be a 5. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those two boxes. I need a 5 here. So, this box cannot be a 5, so it should be a 3. And this should be a 5. We have a 5 here, so this box is going to be a 5 anymore. This should be a 1, and this should be the 5. These two boxes cannot be a 5. That box cannot be a 5. I see here a double 2, so it goes in these two boxes as a pair with the 2, the 5. So I eliminated the 3, so it's a 5 and a 2 here. Here also 5, and I have eliminated the 1, 5 and a 2. Alright, so this box should be the 1, because it cannot be the 1 in 1. These two boxes cannot be a 1, because we have a 1 there. And the 3, this box cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 1 box left should be for the 4, 5 and a 2. We have a 5 here, so this box cannot be a 5. This should be the 5, and this should be the 2. Alright. 4 and a 5. These two boxes cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. The 4 and the 5 are left. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. We have a 3 here, so this box cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. And I've eliminated the 5, because this box cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. And the final number, no, not the final number, yes, final number of this area should be the 4. We have 2 numbers left, the 4 and the 5. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Yes, it's solved in 40 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. I like this one. I can solve it, so you can solve it. Thank you for watching this video. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit that bell button if you want to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching, and take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you tomorrow with a new edition. Thank you and bye bye.